What is it? See your food for ground. You see why I always back him? This is why I always back him. Anyway, I am trying to show you guys this particular one. Look at that, guys. So good. Just add a little of chai seed, not too much, okay? Too much of chai seed is not also good. It causes bloating and increased hydration, better skin health, and potential support for weight management and heart disease. Guys, I love it. That's why I love cucumber. It also promotes weight loss, of course, and it prevents dehydration. Love yourself, okay? Love yourself. So this is my green tea, and this is our vitamin that we're taking. Guys, do you believe I joined my kids to take these vitamins? Hey, they are so good. They have a lot of benefit, okay? So this I'm finished, as you can see, finished. So I'm opening another one right now. Yeah, so good. This one is actually Mega 3 baby, okay? And 1 year plus. I buy 1 year plus because of my last baby, because my last baby is 1 year plus right now. And my other kids can actually take this particular one. I also take this one. I love Mega 3. I love the oil. I also take this one, okay? But now, let me small for inside. I use this one and also use it on my face. Don't laugh me, okay? I love eating my kids' vitamin. Yeah, even their cream. I love rubbing their cream. It's very easy. So, yeah. So I am done, cleaning. I do as I go. That is more easy. I am still alive.
That was the craziest thing I ever heard in my life.
I do as I go. After breakfast, I just clean, yeah. That is, you can see, yeah. I do as I go. A rainy day in the life of a mom of 3, it be rainy no stop, so let's go out. This rain will not keep me at home, okay? Hi lovelies, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, I'm going to take you guys to where I go for shopping. This rain will not stop me. Yeah, if you are new here, you are welcome. I am a mom of 3 in Nigeria, live in Russia. Welcome back, guys. So on this fateful day, I take you guys to where I am shopping for my kitchen. I did a vlog yesterday with you guys. I was telling you guys the wallpaper was not enough that I needed in my kitchen. The one I got it last 2 months. Yeah, last month. Yeah. So this one that I'm actually showing you guys, I actually really love it, but I cannot buy it because I've already started the journey. You understand? This particular one I'm showing you guys is so fine and it's so cool. If I buy this particular one, I will be needy a lot, and I did not actually budget for that, okay? As a mom of 3, I always make sure I plan my trip, or I make sure this is what I'm buying. If I am going out to buy certain thing, I have to buy it, okay? Unless I have another thing on my mind. So I will show you guys this particular one. They are so cute, okay? They are cute, but this one, you will hear what I will say about this price. They say Christmas thing already. Hey God. Wow. This one is cute. But why it's so expensive though? It's a fish price, not the only fish price. Fish price, coffee price, no fish price anymore. So expensive. So I'm going. I don't know why I always complain about price. May God save my soul. Like say they send me. Hey, just use your eye to look and make you go home because you don't get money to buy them. Yeah, guys. Yes, book. I ended up buying book. That is me for you. I will always buy book. I always buy book because I love it. Because I homeschooling my kids. Okay, anytime I see book, I do that.
20 minutes later.
Okay, and I ended up buying book. I did not see the wallpaper exactly the same color with the one that I used before. The last time I got that color, that was actually 1 month ago, and I did it yesterday. I know, right? And at the same time, I wanted to, I was not planning to actually do the up one. It was just to let it down. But yeah, I changed my mind yesterday, and I was thinking I'm going to see another one there. That is fixed price, but there is no one. I'm going home. I ended up buying a book for my kids. 3 days ago, I wanted to buy that book, but there was I didn't budget for it, okay? Since I did not see that wallpaper, I'm going to order it online. So I decided to buy a book to keep my kids busy, okay? Yeah, so that I can, anytime they drop their phone, they can always see something to write, to play with, okay? I buy some biro and yeah, and juice as well. Of course, refreshment. What do you think? For this rainy season, so let's go and meet the kids. I leave only 3 of them at home. Baby is sleeping. I know, right? But yeah, I just had to like dash out because it is raining. It's raining. I don't want to put baby out there, okay? Yeah, let's go. Thanks for coming. Let's go home. Is that what you choose? Is that what you want? Okay. So guys, this was what I was telling you guys. You see, it's not complete. This was the one I did yesterday. As you can see the wall. Yeah, I did not see exactly this color. Yeah, it's just what it is. I'm going to order online. I'm at home. Baby is still sleeping. Okay. Oh my god.
So much. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Aziz, do you like it?
Yeah.
So what to say to mama?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have to write, okay?
I'm watching.
Yeah, it's time to keep phone. Akme, you have to off your phone right now.
Yeah.
You off your phone. It's time to keep phone, okay?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you keep it. You off it already. Okay. Oh yeah, you off. Yeah, it's off. Die. Bring it.
I'm going to write I am kind here.
Okay.
I'm going to write secondly.
Okay. You are kind, yeah? Alright, of course you are kind, you are unique, yeah? Yeah, guys, later. Tiki. See who is awake. He's even laughing.
How to spell brave?
Sunshine.
How to spell brave?
I leave you for her. Do you know? Maybe now my voice is here, so now make I just get up. He's awake now. Yeah, I'm back over here. Sunshine. Say hi. Hi, boo. You were sleeping. You were just enjoying the sleep. Why you don't go sleep? Where everywhere ready for? Oh my god, yeah, later, guys.
Please, I don't know if it is correct. Who's strengthened? I doesn't write.
Now read what you write.
I am kind, I am brave, I am helpful, I am smart, I am important, I am strong, I am unstoppable, I am loved, I am enough. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens.
Who strengthen you? Good job.
Strengthens.
I bring baby book.
ABCD.
Where you book for and bring it?
Mommy, I write big me.
Write your own and bring it. Work on check. Baby, see baby you. Hey, voila.
A, B, C, D,
I see this my little baby, he always like to share for his brothers. Anytime you give her something, your brothers are not there, he will be looking for them to share for them. Oh, so sweet. Well, I'm trying to cook lunch. Do you guys still eat indomie or noodles in your house? Anyway, on this particular day, I decided to make indomie. Okay, I remember back then in Africa, we used to eat in noodles. Okay, so when I traveled out, the place I was, there was no food, no African food, or more na indomie. Now I dey eat every time. Especially that one where they pour water, hot water put. That was the my best food then. So when I got married, I totally forget about noodles. Okay, the last time I cooked noodle for my children, hey, can't see them the way they eat am, mia. Now I say,
Okay, let me
I
say
go
that.
eat am. If I dey eat am that time, oh, now wetin I eat, now I go eat. You understand? So people saying noodles is not good. Well, sometimes my husband do say it's not good for kids. Okay, but I don't actually really cook it for them every time. But when I was pregnant, guys, I crave for this particular noodles. Hey, I eat it every time. I have a way of making my noodles. Like I have different type of recipe. If you want to know many type of recipe for you to cook noodles, you are in the right place. All you need to do is just to subscribe, hit the button so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified, okay? Because here you are going to eat and eat and eat. I love cooking. I love, cooking for my family. That is what I love doing. So last when I was pregnant, I cook for it and I eat. So the last time I also cooked for my kids, they were just eating it like say no be food I give them. I say okay, oh now sabi. So today again, yeah, I decided to cook my noodles. Just take a look at this particular noodles I'm going to give you guys. It's so good, so delicious. It's so sweet, guys, and it's very good. You understand? I don't know. Do you still eat noodles? Do you still cook noodles for your kids, or do you eat it occasionally? I want to know in the comment section. As for me, I don't eat every time, okay? I just eat it occasionally. Like this today weather was one kind of thing. I was just looking for pepper one, yeah. Now Nigeria way. So I decided to do it on my own way. For me, I don't think window is bad. You guys should not come for me. Because when I was in Africa then, even though say we not they buy the carton, we they buy one we they eat. Okay, I'm still alive. Okay. But for my children, I don't actually really give them every time. But sometimes today now I decide to also cook and give them, okay? And let me know what you think about this particular one in the comment section. And I'll see you guys. Bye for now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemical.
When you guys see my video like this, just know that this particular video also they go short. That is why I always do it like this, because I know if they put two camera at the same time or two phone to record for YouTube, record for short. So I'll just do one once. Sometimes I just record them like this. Okay, make una bear with me. Look at that food. It's yummy. Like if they eat indomie like this, this one, hey, this will not be a regular indomie. Oh, oh my god, make you hear waiting my children go talk now. This is good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, no. Test it. Hot, yeah? Let it cool down. How is the food, Akme?
Sweet.
Sweet? Just only sweet. It's not delicious.
Yes.
It's not.
Sweet.
Aziz, how is the food? Sweet? Not delicious, not yummy?
Delicious.